Hello and welcome to this course of AutoCAD. And in this lecture, we are going to understand to set up units. It is very necessary because whenever we will start to make our drawings or model, we need to set up units on which we will work or on which we have to measure or give the dimension. So before starting anything on AutoCAD, we need to set up units. So let's learn how to set up units on the AutoCAD. We first type UN and click enter. Now a pop-up has came out on our AutoCAD screen and there are different type of options showing in front of us. So here in the section of length, it's giving 4 options: architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. In this drawing, we are going to use all the dimensions as a metric units. So using the metric, we use decimal. So click on decimal. And as far as precision means we need to show our dimension after decimal. So here, since we are going to use the mm per unit, so we will select no decimal points in precision. So just select on 0. Now, as far as the units, we need to draw our things in mm. So click on millimeter here. So this is our units. Simply, you have to click on OK. Before clicking on OK, just remember that what you have set up here in the type, that is decimal. So click on OK. And now our units for working is complete. Further, we will set our units to give the dimensions on which unit the dimension will show during measuring or assigning dimension. So now you type DIM, that is dimension style, and select this option, that is dimension style, not DIM, dimension style. And again a pop-up has came on our screen. So you see here we need to select the standard, which is already selected here, and click on modify. Now go on the primary units and select the same option which we have selected in our unit setup. So select the decimal and again precision to 0. And now we need to click on OK and then click on set current and then close this tab. Now our unit has been set up already, and from our next lecture we will start to draw different type of shapes or drawing all the start to model. Thank you.